Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your watch later playlist on your YouTube channel. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open your YouTube application, and then let's say we click on this YouTube video right here. Now let's say that we want to save this into watch later. Click on this save button, and now as you can see, it says save to recent playlist watch later. Now if you are wondering where you can actually find this watch later playlist, I'm gonna show you exactly where it is. So you have a stored video, you want to go to the home page, and then at the bottom you can see your profile picture. So just click on your profile picture. After that you have to click on your channel, which is very first option. That's gonna lead you to your YouTube channel. So as you can see, this is your home, video and playlist. So these are all your playlists. That is going to be your liked videos as well as your shorts. Now I believe it used to be in playlist feature, but they have probably removed it to a different place. So as you can see here, there are some videos. So you can see liked videos, new one, and these are all the playlist here. So you just have to tap on this watch later and you will find all your watch later videos here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.